Assalamualaikum my dear family. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. So today's video is basically about the second tense, which is the past indefinite tense. And today we will be learning, the past indefinite tense in detail in an easiest manner. So if you really you're interested to learn the most common tense in a few minutes, then just let's go and start with it, because we will be learning it in detail and we're going to attempt the exercise at the end, and I really want your input as well. And it's a first rate. The title, I have prepared some notes for you guys. Sorry, it's past indefinite tense, right? So we have given the title, and now you guys are quite clear that we will be working on it today. And this is also called the past simple. We use it to talk about things that already happened, right? So what is the past indefinite? I'm presenting it on my screen to you. You can see it first. Whenever we are starting any tense, we should know the definition of it. What is the meaning of it? Past means something jo ho chuka hai, something which happened in the past already, right? So indefinite are the actions that happened in the past and are now finished. We used to talk to it about actions that happened in the past and are now finished, not continued, right? So the structure for the positive one is, because even in the past tense, in the present tense or future tense, we have three types: positive, negative, and interrogative. So first we will be seeing the structure of the positive. There's always a subject first, and in this past tense we always use the second form of verb, right? So wake, so it means woke, we will be using that. And drink, drank. But there is also a rule how we use it and with which type of helping verb, right? So subject plus second form of verb and plus object. Now let's take a look at some example sentences. I visited my friend yesterday. Here, because it's a past tense, so we made visited, कि मैंने अपने फ्रेंड को विजिट किया था, कल मैं गई थी उसके घर. She cooked dinner, she has already cooked it already, and now we are eating it, or maybe we have eaten already. So she cooked dinner. She cooked a delicious dinner yesterday. We can also complete that like this. They played cricket. We can ask somebody that, what have you done today? So we played cricket and we had so much fun, something which is already done. Negative sentences. Now what would be the structure of negative sentences? Subject plus did not. When we use not with did, then we are not going to change the form of verb. The form of verb is going to be the first form. It's going to be the base form of verb, and we are not with did. We cannot. For example, I say drink ko drank, we can do drank. But if it's did you drink tea, so it's going to be with did, it's you have to use drink, not drank. And then the object, right? For example, I went to school. It's a sentence. I did not go to school. Negative mein it's going to be I did not go to school. Or he did not eat the cake. It's not going to be ate. It is going to be the first form of verb, eat the cake. I hope it's quite clear to you now. The questions are, did comes in the first, in the interrogative part, right? Did comes always in the beginning of a sentence, then comes the subject, then the first form of verb, and then the object. For example, did you, this is the did is the helping verb, you is the subject, finish is the action verb, your homework is the object. So the base form is finished. We have not used finished because it's did is already there. With did we are not going to use ed or the third form, right? We have to just keep the form of verb should be base form, the first form. Did she call you? We will be keeping call instead of called, because with did we cannot use called. It's did she call you? I hope it's quite clear now. Daily use sentences. I woke up late. So woke. She washed the dishes. Now there is no did into it. That's why we are using ed. They did not. With did we have to use first form. They did not come to class. Did you drink tea? Now I hope it's quite clear. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using the past indefinite tense in the comments. I'll check it for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And please create one sentence right now. Stop the video. Make your own sentence. Any sentence. A simple past indefinite sentence, or by using did as well. So then I can let you know whether your sentences are correct or not. Now, sentence structures. Positive. I watched a movie. ED. She cleaned her room. We traveled to Karachi. ED form, right? It's a positive one. There is no not in it. Now, negative. I did not watch a movie. So did, with did we have to use watch. We are not going to keep it watched, right? So he did not go to school. So with did we have to use go, not went. Did you watch the movie? With did, it's just first form. Did they call you? It's just for first form, right? In the questions even we're going to do the same thing. Now let's please just solve the fill in the blanks exercise. Now let's test your skills. Fill in the blanks with the correct past form and I will see whether you guys are correct or not. Okay, let's select a pen. Now I have this exercise with me. You can pause the video, you can complete the exercise, and then you can let me know whether you have seen it before me or not, and then I will let you know. Okay, pause the video here, attempt this exercise, and I will then give you marks on it. Yesterday, Anna, instead of wake, what we will be doing? Okay, I hope you have given me the correct answer, and that is, please write your answers quickly in the comment section below, and that is woke. Okay, up early. She dashed her teeth. How we are going to use this is a positive sentence. Please write it in the comment section below. She brushed her teeth. And then dash breakfast. Eat will be changed into ate breakfast because there is no not in it, so it's a positive sentence. And dash for school and left for school. She dash not forget her. Now this not forget is a negative sentence. What we will be using instead of not forget? She did not forget. Very good. If you have spoken the same thing, did not forget her books. Well done. So you got 5 on 5 marks. The ones who have given the correct answers, excellent. And left for school. She dash not forget her. Now this not forget is a negative sentence. What we will be using instead of not forget? She did not forget. Very good. If you have spoken the same thing, did not forget her books. Well done. So you got 5 on 5 marks. The ones who have given the correct answers, excellent performance. It means that you have understood this tense and you can easily attempt it. Now there's a homework I'm assigning you guys, so write 5 sentences in the past indefinite tense, share them in the comments, and I'll reply with the feedback. I'm 110% going to reply you with the feedback if you guys are going to take this as your homework, and you have to must attempt this homework. You cannot leave this video without attempting the homework. So I hope today's video was quite useful for you, and the whole thing which I have shared with you was quite useful. You can pause my video, move back, and learn the whole thing. Don't forget to subscribe for more grammar and simple English only on English with Palvasha.